In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on an iPhone. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, but the first thing I always recommend that you guys do is to quickly refresh your Bluetooth settings. So go ahead and open up settings just like so, then go ahead and select on Bluetooth, and you just want to double check that it is turned on. Now, this is pretty obvious, but if you notice that your device is still not in this list, even though you have Bluetooth on, then what could be happening is that the device you're trying to pair is not in pairing mode. So common headphones speakers won't show up unless they're actively pairing, or if you're trying to pair like a PlayStation 5 controller, stuff like that. So whatever device you're trying to connect, you need to make sure that it is in pairing mode, and that is going to vary from device to device. For the AirPods, go ahead and open lid near the phone, and for speakers, press and then hold the Bluetooth icon for 2 to 5 seconds. But if it still shows and it doesn't connect, then what you could do is you can go ahead and forget the device and then reconnect. So it's a little bit weird, but that is something you could do. So to disconnect from Bluetooth, go ahead and press on the I button, then select on forget this device, then press on forget device like that. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and repair it. So sometimes that gets the job done. Sometimes just the iPhone Bluetooth can be a little bit glitchy or funky, or the other device could also be glitchy as well. Also, be sure that your iOS version is fully updated, because sometimes recent updates break Bluetooth temporarily. So always check for newer versions, bug fixes, etc. And also, you always want to double check if two Bluetooth devices are competing. So this would be like if you had AirPods and it's connecting to a Mac instead of an iPhone. So you just want to make sure that you only pair it to the device you're trying to actually pair it to. And also, other things like metal cases can also cause issues as well. Even some of the more like denser leather cases, or if you have very low battery, then Bluetooth is not going to work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.